In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha alerts. If you want the market to come to you instead of refreshing charts and feeds all day, setting up alerts the right way is the key. I'll walk you through where to find the settings and how to tailor them so you get the right information at the right time without inbox overload. Start by logging into Seeking Alpha, then head to your portfolio if you want alerts that cover everything you track, or open a specific stock page if you're fine-tuning alerts for a single ticker. This choice helps you decide whether your notifications will be broad or laser-focused. Next, look for your profile icon and select Manage Emails and Alerts. This is the central hub for all your notification preferences. Think of it as the control panel where you can decide what's important and how you want to hear about it. Begin with Content Alerts. These include articles and news related to the companies and topics you follow. Turn these on if you want timely commentary, deep dives, and breaking headlines. A quick tip: if you're an active trader, real-time news can be invaluable. If you're longer term, prioritizing articles might give you more signal and less noise. Then set up Price Alerts. These notify you when a stock reaches a target you care about, either crossing above a level or dropping below it. Choose prices that align with your strategy, such as potential buy zones, profit targets, or caution points. Keeping your thresholds meaningful helps prevent constant pings on routine fluctuations. Check analyst alerts next. When analysts you follow publish new research or ratings, you'll get notified. This is especially helpful if you rely on certain voices for thesis updates or sector expertise. If you already follow a few trusted analysts, this can become your early warning system for fresh perspectives. Consider enabling the Portfolio Digest. This is a daily summary for your entire portfolio, giving you a concise snapshot without piecing together individual alerts. It's a great morning or evening check-in to stay oriented without constant interruptions. Finally, review the general settings for emails and notifications. Here you can choose where you receive alerts, adjust frequency, and keep things tidy. If you prefer fewer messages, consolidate to the digest and only keep critical price alerts active. If you need instant awareness, lean into real-time notifications for the categories that truly matter. Once your choices look right, you're all set. You can revisit Manage Emails and Alerts anytime to fine-tune as your portfolio or strategy evolves. Set it once, refine as needed, and let Seeking Alpha keep you informed efficiently.